Taiwan is a great example. You were more prepared than almost any other country. You had a better CDC preparation for viruses, respiratory viruses coming out of China. You did a better job monitoring China. Makes a big difference. Countries that had coordination at the central government level that was effective among the ministries. So typically you needed, obviously, treasury, health, education, labor to all work together. Those countries that had that and typically run out of either the prime minister or president's office did better. Countries that did poorly, like France, for example, did not have such preparation or coordination. Very difficult to stand up all the requirements you need for vaccines, masks, PPE, hospital, surge capacity, etc. It takes planning. Military plans all the time. They practice. We somehow think this isn't a national security or that kind of level threat, and I think that's a big mistake. We need to take it like a national security threat. Okay. You're an expert, right? You did a very good job in prepping for this event, and I think that helped a huge amount in the early days.